Price levels let you set which products are shown and at which price in different galleries. A common use case is to charge your wedding clients a different price for a product than your portrait clients. When Sunshine PhotoCard is installed, it comes with a single default price level. You are welcome to change the name, but it cannot be deleted. To add a new price level, first enter a name. You can then set the prices for this new price level off an existing one, even choosing to increase or decrease the prices by a set percentage. For example, entering 200 would effectively double the prices for all our products in this new price level. When adding or editing products, you will now see price fields for each price level you have set up. Notice how the prices doubled for this wedding level I just created. If you make a price blank, the product will not be shown for any gallery assigned to this price level. When creating or editing a gallery, go to the Products tab and set the price level here. If we look at a gallery assigned to the default price level, we see our original prices. Looking at a wedding gallery, we see all the prices are doubled and the 8x10 is not visible.